and the kiddos. Say hi, fans. They're in the mall, y'all, so they don't want to say hi because they don't want to be vlogging in the mall.
Oh, sorry.
But yeah, we're in the mall because we got to get Mikey some shoes for his girlfriend's prom on Saturday. We had ordered some shoes for him, but it came and it was too big. So now we're in the mall. We have to return those shoes, and now we're in the mall looking for some shoes for him. So we're not going to be here for too long, hopefully. But we're just trying to find him some shoes. So hope you guys are having a fantabulous day. It's such a beautiful day out. It's like almost 70 degrees, so it feels so good. They have shoes in here. This is where we came before. You want to? No? Yeah, so, no? Okay. So, it's beautiful out. So, yeah, we're just gonna, first of all, I'm hungry, so probably grab something to eat and then go explore the mall. So, we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Smile. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Yeah, we're having fun. We're going this way. So now we're going to head on over to Target because you can find no shoes in here. So we'll head on over to Target. It's like my favorite place, you guys. Love me some Cinnabon. Target is over there. Y'all, it's low key chilly. It's a little chilly.
Dreaming of you. 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 I'm dreaming of you. What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
Hey fams, we are on the bus. We're headed to the city, taking the kids to a play that Tamara, my girl, she invited us to. So Nyla is at home with grandma and grandpa. She's spending the day with them. But we decided to take these two out today and just go do something. Decided to take these two out today because I didn't have them going anywhere. I just need to get out the house. So we're excited. We're excited and looking forward to taking you guys along with us today. We're going to see the play and we are so excited. I'll see you guys there. On the side. time for me, like over 20 years that I have not been on the subway. So this is a cool experience for them. So we're excited. We're on the subway. We're on the E train. Go ahead, go see what you like.
I used to watch the show all.
We're in the Carlos Bake Shop, the cake boss, where she's experiencing it for the first time. Well, both of them are experiencing it for the first time.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
It's so fun experiencing this with Kayla because it's like everything is her first time getting pizza. She's so excited for the pizza. Here, we can stand over here, guys. And Mikey's making beats. He's just chilling.
And I'm freaking out.
This is your first time like walking through the city.
And it's like you just go to places like you used to go to Carlos Bakery. I used to watch his show. I can't believe it. And then you see like all the billboard signs and like the theaters and everything. It's so cool.
So it's such a good experience, experiencing it through their eyes and everything with them. So I'm excited, and I'm experiencing it for the first time too with certain things because there's certain places that I just have not been, but it's good. We're excited. So we're here, you guys. We're here at the, what is this? I forgot the name of the theater. The what? What's the name of it? If y'all can see it. So we're here and we're getting ready to watch and Juliet. So that should be exciting. That should be very exciting. So that's what we're watching today. And Juliet. So we're just waiting now. We're the first in lines. I'm waiting on my friend. She should be here soon. She's coming with her class. So she got us the tickets and I'm so excited to see her because I haven't seen her since last year. No, because she came last year when we were going to Georgia, remember? So we haven't seen her since July. Since July, almost a year of last year. Yeah. So it's going to be exciting to see her. Damn, I'm so excited. I cannot wait. But we got ourselves a couple snacks. Kind of want another slice, don't you?
Because they already have like
So we're gonna have some pizza and then head on out. So we'll see you guys in the theater.
I'm 113. Sam, say hi to the vlog.
She fixed. This is it, guys. This is the theater. We are so excited. Oh my gosh. Y'all, never been into a theater before. How awesome is that?
We're on Broadway.
So cool.
Oh my gosh, my phone is
Literally a playbill of Anne Juliet. So cool.
Standing underneath the lights, looking into each other's eyes.
We are in the famous Rockefeller Center. Oh my gosh, y'all. I have never, God bless you, in Rockefeller Center. And we just happened to just be walking. Oh my gosh. And here we are in Rockefeller Center. So cool, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at it. Yo. Oh my gosh. Look at it. It is Rockefeller Center. So cool. Look how. Is it okay? Oh my gosh. So beautiful. FAO shorts. Oh my gosh. So cool. No. Is it?
Close your eyes and let us fade away. Build a secret place for you and me. Let our minds be caught up in a dream. Stand.
We are at the Lego store, y'all. Mikey, are you happy? Huh? Yeah, let's take a picture. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna let him wander.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors. Summer love, lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors. Summer love.
So guys, I'm gonna do a voiceover on this one because the music was playing and I don't want to get a copyright strike. So I was saying here that when Mikey was around 7 or 8 years old, I promised him that I would take him to the Lego store in Manhattan because he loves Legos, and he still does to this day. So we were just walking around in the city and I told Kayla, I said, listen, I want to surprise him and take him to Times Square to go see the Lego store. So he was so excited and he was in his element. Oh my gosh, just to see the pure joy that's on his face just made my heart so happy that a dream, it's a small dream, but it's a dream and it's a promise that I have made to him years ago, 10 years ago, you guys. He's 18 now. And to see it actually come to fruition and seeing like the joy in his eyes, it was just such a magical day, and really enjoyed it, honestly. Like, I'm an adult, but I'm a big kid, and I love Legos, I love cartoons, I love all these things. And so just to be there with him, even Michaela, because they used to play Legos all the time and video games and all this stuff together, they still do, but to see it, to see him kind of like a dream realized or just a promise kept, it just was so fun and just so exciting to see. So I'm grateful to God for his blessings and, just for the opportunity to be able to do this for my son. It's like I said, it may seem like a small thing, but for him it's huge because this is his heart. He loves Legos, you guys. Y'all know them Legos. I'm stepping on them Legos at 3 o'clock in the morning, okay? Because he loves Legos so much, but it just was so much fun. So I told him, I said, go ahead and pick out a Lego because he really has been such a blessing during this whole process and helping me with Nyla and everything. So I told him, I said, go ahead, grab some Legos, pick something that you really like and that you really want, and just enjoy it. So it just was so much fun, you guys. We had just a blast, a beautiful day. And also I'm glad that I didn't bring Nyla because she would not have been able to handle the city. It just was too much and too many people, very crowded, obviously, but just for like all the activities that we were doing, though she would have been in her wheelchair walking around, it still would have been way too hectic for her. So I'm just so grateful, you guys. My mama bear heart is just so happy to see my kids happy and flourishing and just filled with joy, and God is just blessing, and we're just, oh my gosh, just head over heels, just happy. So I'm so grateful to God for this amazing opportunity to be able to do this with my kids.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars,